1 minute later.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Arbor TV Gaming. Magandang umaga or magandang buhay sa ating lahat guys. May babatiin lang ako guys sa kanyang kaarawan ngayon. Isang admin po ng ating Defenders. So ayun, Tol Arcas, happy birthday sa'yo. And wish ko sa birthday mo, sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming taon ni Lord at ipagpatuloy mo lang yung magiging matulungin mo at patuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo, Tol. At sana lagi kang bigyan ng magandang pangatawan, Lord. At tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, Tol. And enjoy sa iyong birthday ngayon. And God bless, Tol. Happy birthday sa'yo, Tol. And God bless. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas.
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, ang TV Vlog. Nandito pala ako ngayon para batiin ko yung mabait na admin, Sir Arcas. Sir Arcas, happy birthday. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung mga pagtulong mo sa mga kasamahan natin. So, alam ko super mabait ka at super matulungin. At sana, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at maraming birthday na darating sa iyo at saka more blessing. So, gabayan ka ni Lord na pang araw-araw kasi alam kong nandiyan ka sa malayo, sa mahal mo sa buhay at tulungan ka lagi na bigyan ka ng malakas na laging pangangatawan para maano mo yung trabaho mo sa araw-araw. Alam ko na marami ka pa rin mga tinutulungan sa family mo. So, i-enjoy mo lang ang life mo. Ngayon ay yung araw, so relax and enjoy. So, happy birthday. Kantahan kita ng sintonaong kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Arcas. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Aabot ng 100 years yung edad mo. Happy birthday, Sir Arcas. God bless.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas.
Happy birthday to you. Sana'y pagpalain ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Tatay Arcas, happy birthday. Maraming salamat na isa ka rin sa naging party na kung saan nasa team Defenders ako ngayon. Wish ko lang na ipagpatuloy mo yung kabaitan, mapagmahal sa kapwa, mapagbigay kasi ibabalik ni Lord yan ng triple sa'yo. Huwag makalimot magdasal, hingin kay Lord na maging malusog palagi, laging gabayan sa word. Happy birthday, Tay.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas.
Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Tatay Arcas. From HVC at Honey Vlog ng Team Defenders. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng tulong mo. Wish ko sa iyong kaarawan, sana'y maligaya ka at bigyan ka ng ating Panginoon ng malakas at malusog na pangangatawan. At naway bumuhos pa ang maraming blessings sa iyo. Nang sa ganon, marami pang taong iyong matutulungan. Again, happy birthday, Tatay Arcas!
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas.
Hello Tatay, good morning, and first of all I would like to greet you happy birthday, and I wish on your special day may every year of your life be happy and joyful, and stay good health, stay kind, and may God bless you always, and stay safe out there. Thank you very much. Enjoy your special day, Tatay. For you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Tatay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tatay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday again, Tatay Arcas. We love you so much. Bye-bye.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tol Arcas.